Hello again and welcome to Lunch at the Market. So far, so good today. Our TER call, symbol TER, has been a home run, if not a grand slam. The stock is up double what Intel itself is after the Intel quarter. Consider selling that if you're a trader. If you're an investor, this semiconductor cycle should be a lot longer than we've seen so far. Intel was really bullish on the call last night, and sorry we couldn't bring it to you live on Twitter. We had to take the call while we were traveling, and we couldn't drive, tweet, and listen all at the same time. Real quick before we hit our name for the day, we did some buying of Philips Van-Heusen today when the CEO showed up on CNBC. We've been meaning to buy PVN, that's the symbol for the company, for some time. There's been so much action lately, it's been pretty crazy. Owning PVN is almost like owning a retail sector ETF without having to take on the entire sector. PVN sells something like 1 out of every 5 pairs of pants and 2 out of every 5 ties. Don't quote me on that, but Jim Cramer had the CEO on money last month, maybe even February, and it's clear that PVN is a well-run retailer. It's now the proud new owner of Tommy Hilfiger. The notes show that Hilfiger will still stick around to help run the segment. That can't be bad. It's like buying J. Crew and having Mickey Drexel around to give you advice. Take a look at PVN as a great way to play the consumer. Okay, HRBN, which is the symbol for Harbin Electric. It's been an amazing call for us since the stock traded down around $16 and is up 40% since February 1st. So we think the next trade in this space is China Electric Motor, symbol CELM. The stock trades with a 9.16 trailing PE and a 7.24 forward PE with a PEG of 0.51. Wow, talk about valuation that we like. The company has margins in the teens and it has about 10 times more cash than debt on the balance sheet. Check out this small-cap Chinese maker of micromotors and micromotor components. As devices, machines, etc. get smaller and smaller, something has to make all our moving parts do what they do, and we think this is a fun way to play it. We're going to highlight Teva Pharmaceuticals again today, as it's getting blasted, down over $1.30 today and doing nothing but going down since the open. This is a great name and should be bought aggressively on this dip here today. Take a look at Teva. Thanks for tuning in again and have a great day. We'll see you tomorrow.